It's a female friend, my girlfriend.
How long are you guys dating?
A year.
For a year. How come none of the family members know that you guys were dating?
Because it's actually complicated. It's complicated.
So tell us about the complication.
We don't get to see each other all the time. We're always coming around. Like for example, we have a lot of people around. We come around most of those times. So that's how it is.
Did you kill Salome?
Yes.
Why did you kill her?
Why did I kill her? Because if you don't have each other all the time, you don't have each other all the time.
Is that a reason to kill?
Why did you kill Salome?
That's what I'm saying. We don't have each other all the time.
Siri, call this guy for me. You are here. Simi, you talked that time. Why you did you like this? Tell us.
Sometimes it's not because we don't really have each other all the time. Our
Simi, start from where you told me you invited Salome.
I invited Talume
Okay.
to come around once in a while.
Okay.
And we get to be most of the time. We've had a lot of things going on.
All right. On that day when she came to your house, when you invited
Narrate
her,
what happened on the day that you killed her.
She came to my house and we're actually vibing. We're not actually vibing well. But based on one or two things,
what is the one or two things?
we started getting close to each other. And I saw that my vibe and her vibe came together. So that was how we came to be together.
And that's how you killed her. Just tell us how you carried out, how long you planned to carry out the attack and how you executed it.
It's not something I really planned on. Something it happened on that day and it happened.
Simi,
Not like I had a plan in mind.
Simi,
Ma,
you told me that when she came, you caught her doing something. You caught her sex chatting with another man. That was why you killed her. So tell them, what is it? What has she done to you to deserve this? Tell them.
she was always cheating. She hid most of the things from me most times.
How did you get to know?
Because I saw her phone.
How? When did you get to know?
I saw her phone, like I said.
What did you see in the phone that made you very angry?
Most of the chat with the other guys. That's what I saw on the phone.
So that was when you decided to kill her.
Yes.
Do you have any regrets?
I don't have any regret.
Okay, you don't regret killing her.
I don't.
Why?
Because life is reciprocal. That's what I thought. Life is reciprocal. And if you must be with someone, you have to be reciprocal with that person. You have to understand what that person is going through so that you can actually put yourself in the position that kind of person is going through. So that was why I didn't have any regret, because we were actually compatible. So that was why.
So, Mr. Timmy, please narrate how it happened, what you saw that made you kill, and how you did it. What happened on that day?
What happened on that day was very simple. I caught her cheating on me, and so I brought it to her awareness that she was cheating. She refused. She didn't want to accept until I showed her the chat and showed her what she did, what she admitted, and told me she was sorry. It's never gonna happen again. That was what happened.
So afterwards, you now asked her to go into the bathroom. What happened?
After that, I told her to go into the bathroom. She went to the bathroom and started some things. Immediately started those things. I couldn't take it lightly. I had to go into the room of where I can get some certain things that will happen. So I took the knife from the restroom and went it to her. Immediately she was lying her hand down. I held her neck and I did what I had to do, and that was it.
When she died, what happened?
When she died, nothing really happened.
You went and took the cutlass, then what?
I only took some parts of the knife, and that was it. That was what happened.
So how were you caught?
I wasn't caught. I surrendered myself.
It's not true.
How? You were caught trying to dispose.
I surrendered myself. If I didn't want anybody to catch me, I would have done that. It's very simple.
It's not true.
It's simple, to be honest.
Simi said he surrendered himself.
Are you ready to face the wrath of the law?
It's not a big thing to pay. It's not a big thing to pay.
It's not a big thing to pay. So tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Kogi State. I'll be 30 this year.
You told us 31.
I'll be 30
Initially, you
this
said
year.
32. You now said 31.
I'll be 30 this year, this October.
And you say you have no regrets.
I have no regret.
Simi, what do you do for a living?
I'm a cryptocurrency agency.
The disease is my sister, my younger sister, and I feel very bad because I didn't just lose a person. We didn't just lose a person in my home. We lost a sister. My mom lost a daughter. So I feel really bad about the whole situation. And I demand and need justice to be served to this guy sitting over there because he is the person that murdered my sister. And he confirmed it to me when we picked him up from the police station before we brought him to this command here. He confirmed. I was like, you are the person, because I'm just seeing him for the first time, apart from the social media pictures that have been flying. I was like, you are the one that murdered my sister. He nodded and said, yes. I was like, you will tell us where we are going to, why you murdered my sister. He now nodded that, yes, he will. So I just need to know why he murdered my sister, and I need justice to just be served. That is all that I need, because any other thing that will happen will not bring my sister back to life. That I have come to terms with, but I just need the law to just take its full course on this guy. That is all that I need. That's all. That's the least my family deserve at this point now. I have never seen him before until his pictures were shown to me on social media, and it was on Sunday that was the first time I ever saw his picture ever in my entire life. Sunday was the first time I saw him, and he said he claimed, because the video I first saw on social media, he claimed that he has been dating my sister for the past 1 year, and you'll be dating somebody's daughter for 1 year and nobody in the home will even hear your name or know you. That's absurd. Like, I cannot even fathom it at all, because it doesn't happen in my family. It can happen any other place, any other family, but in my family that doesn't happen, because there is a certain way we were brought up. Even just friends, not even sexual relationship or intimate relationship, just friends. Everybody has to know your friends, so that as you are going out, we will know where you are going to and when you are coming back, and who to hold responsible if anything happens to you. But this so-called Simi guy, we don't know him. We've never seen him until we were called up to tell us that this guy murdered and dismembered our sister. Salome is she's 24 already. Today is 14th or 15th, so she's 24 years 1 month and 5 days. She was born 1999 December 10th, and she's a graduate. She's a youth corps member, and she's serving in Nikon Insurance. She's supposed to be done with her service like in the next few months, and this unfortunate incident just happened.
Yes, the position of the family is, we discovered this through the Nigerian police, and we are expecting justice from the police. He has succeeded in destroying our daughter. Not ordinary crime. He butchered her into pieces. He caught that body into more than 50 pieces. And when you look at the whole thing, he's preparing that body for consumption, because he cut all these things and leave them in about 6 polythene bags. That is to say, if you look at where people contributed money to buy cow during festive period, and those times that the Fulanis will come to share the cow among the people that contributed for it, that is exactly what he did in his room. And when we went to his room, we discovered that this is not the first thing he's doing. This is not the first time he's doing this thing. He's a professional in this. He has a place. He has a place in his room. All those kind of knife, he has them there that he used to cut and arrange. Yeah, there is a big basin there that he cuts and put inside. And in short, there are a lot of evidence that this is not even the first person he has destroyed there. And in his area there, he is known to be a fraudster. He has deceived many churches to collect their money and run away. They call him a gospel musician, but on the network I discover he's a fraudster. He has duped many people, committed a lot of crime before he landed himself in this business that he's doing now. I am suspecting him to be a human part trafficker, because the way he prepared those bodies is not meant for any other thing. It's meant for consumption. He cleaned it up for consumption. And also I want to commend the effort of the DPO of New Karishi division. He did tremendously. I was shocked at his effort in this thing. He started this work without anybody of the family being there to fuel him, to pay for paper for case. All this, he didn't look for me for anything. When the call comes that my daughter had an accident and he was in OK General Hospital, I came to OK General Hospital and discovered that it was not an accident, that it was a case of murder. And when I look at his efforts to get the situation controlled, I say yes, he tried. I commended him to the area commander of New Karo in Nasarawa State yesterday, his efforts. And also I'm here to even let the nation know that the DPO has proof that police were not what they are saying about them. And I am also looking forward to see a good result from his superior as we are handing over this case to the Commissioner of Police of Nasarawa State.
Investigation is ongoing, and upon conclusion of the investigation, he will be arraigned in court for prosecution. I want to assure the family and members of the public, or we are calling on members of the public who might have any complaint against the suspect, to come forward with their complaints, and it will be looked into and investigated. I want to assure the family that this suspect will not be spared if found wanting. He will be charged to court for prosecution, and we call on them to avail themselves anytime the need arises.
Hello, Mr. Raj. Good afternoon. I want to say, I'm so bad the other my who. I'm here to miss me who. The young couple I say, Yakasa, ya chakakra. Now, a lot of us, I mean, I'm pessimist and kakra. Na matie ba ko bi nso audio bi me kwa mentie nwie ba me wi amesa kwa nkotie about Ghana ni bia o say se pese pam o mode a ye ma Ghana for work country nyina mbrefi me pa show sa bra na pese me bisa ne say Ghana for na work country umumu hwan ɛna wate sɛ wakɔkyi obi ba akunu ade akɔdi saa kawa ade akɔyɛ rituals ana mumu hwan na wate akɔkye Ghana ni bi a like wakɔte gang team bi a ɔmo de kum pa kunkum kwa na ɔmo kum yɛba Ghana ha yɛ start sɛ yɛte fraud start fi Nigeria for so criminals arm robbing start fi Nigeria for so criminals start fi nipa no ma bɔne a top evil sinners na bɛba bia start from mo alatafoɔ no so nkorɔfoɔ ɔmo ayɛ te sɛ aboa kurio mu mogya de mogya empa ɔmo tiri ho da woyɛ dan a suban na wɔ mu no kuro na wɔ mu no saa suban na ɔmo wɔ mu saa suban na yɛde awo no wɔde anyini nti yɛde anya mfiri ne mu agye kakra na nyame ahu ɔmo mmɔbɔ ade ne nsa ka ɔmo na ɔmo atwe ɔmo ha firi bɔno mu no ɔmo na saa Nigeria foɔ na ɔmo deɛ they are innocent bɔno ne bi wɔ hɔ a wɔyɛ dan a ɔmo nyɛ ba ɔmo kampo na ɔmo nnɔɔso ɔmo abɔno wɔ mu tirim sɛ kwan a ɛfa so titi ne nua corrupt ne nua ewia ne nua ɔtwa ntorɔ tu ne nua sɛ gyi bibi firi ne nsam most of them uta hwɛ ɔmo a ɛma mpokora ɔmo yɛ te sɛ there's no single Nigeria uta afro TikTok a there are a lot of them ebia nipa na ɔkɔ na obi de aba sɛ na wakɔ de akɔpɔnten sɛ tuo na wagye ne sika na wadwane obi nso so ɔkɔ na wakɔkye akwala ɔnam a mu tu na mo nam car ɔmo de car nam ɔmo twa hwɛ ɔmo akyi na obi ambapɛ so ɔbaatan bi nam hɔ na ne mba a yɛtumi ɔmo mienu no tumi fɔ so ɔbaa no ne yagye akwala na firi ne nsam na ɔmo de na akɔma da kɔtɔn akwala na ma alaji bi ana rituals ni bi na wagye sika ɔbaatan ne besu a na wabɛ na ɔmo akɔso ɔmo kurom na ɛno na mo de acte no nti hwitwe na nipa benimo tete sei suban bi no akura nkurɔfoɔ sɛ bi wɔ mu no imagine sɛ kuro bɛn hefa na ɔmbɛtu ɔmbɛkɔ akɔtena asomdwe bɛwɔ saa aman no mu South Africa foɔ no ɔmo mistake a moyɛ no so ɔmo anti kan yɛ ne ntɛm afei dɛ ɔmbɛhu yɛ no na agye nsɛmu ɛna ɔmo sa te sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ ma ɔmo kɔ ɔmo kurom Australiafoɔ nso sa de ɔmo de abam sɛ yɛhia ɔmo wɔ ɔmo kurom nkurɔfoɔ wɔ ne Mr. Last I was watching YouTube there's a comment bi a no yɛ broni na ɔka asa or say the most hatred country and this earth on this all over the world is Nigeria na mo flag ne de akyire osu kura country a omo hate no obiase nyina no ɛyɛ Nigeria mesi na uye danya sister anabra Nigeria ni oye Nigeria ni kakre bi uye ombe se 1000 na omo amoye gu no less than high kwa na wanya omo kwa na 100 900 na aka ni nyina no they have criminal tendencies sani omo nua ne de susu omo wo ho na se we Ghana no kura Ghana yenye suban ne bi ko ho no ma it will be difficult for you to dwell in that country but omo suba yenye suban sani ye maame no cause ye maame no wo ye no mo tete ye ma ye hu say wo ko baby a make sure say ye so nyina no ye kire yen sani obabu pani odu buo ne ani de ba ma pani emma bone enwo emma wabrabo mu make sure that everything ade biara wo ye no make you good to be more than even crab ya mo tete say enye bone mpo mada bia da no ma papa ndi wani mu kan ma nyamesuro ndi wani mu kan ma nokro ndi wani mu kan ma hobrase ndi wani mu kan no ma bebre na ye wofo no mo de tete ye omo mpese wo bekọ baabi akoye wo pese baabi a obekọ no ukonye din pa ne anum yan wo sa baabi a wokọ no wokọ a woyi uyemi ade no kasa hwan banie akola yi de ya tete na pa saa na Ghana ni tie saa na Ghana fo ye pe saa na yenso ye de atete ye because mo ma yete asesa wo ye bone a udua bone a obetwa udua papa nso obetwa saa nde obedua bone na obetwa dia ende odua papa no mbom na ba a watwa na papa because bone na wo be ye no etunsunsu anso na baba no untumi njina cause udua de ba ko a imagine numbers are there wutwa the same thing na udua bone so the number of sin na wutwa ne no ene Nigeria for mo na bone na mo dua na da bia no esunsu de da bia no bone anyini wo mukrum bone yini wo mukrum bone ade a ye Ghana ha jenye chira wo be ye wo ha ye be chi watum Nigeria ho mo ya mo fa mo hodi free Ghana ha wontumi ni aduro emfa tuo anase kan enkogina bonten se mesusu me ho ahwese aduro na mekodi ye na ye adwuma ye be chi wo sesi a ende wo ye no wo dem obi anhu then de wo ye free na wo de begina bonten ye be chi Nigeria ni so ko mukuro mu asa de no so mo ye oniyan ko gina bonten trade no ho ahwese aduro na mekodi ye na ye adwuma we to no tu na we nso ato no tu on say yes ade na nye adwuma say duro na wakodi na duro nye adwuma Ghana ntimi anye adwuma won ho say that the charm is working ba Ghana ha wonnim na after Mr. Ade na mmra be chiw sesi a Ghana ha mpo no te say jeje mmra mpo a hwehwe ye no I say kufuo ba no gigi mmra ne bi free so na kufuo no ba wasan be gibia free so a asan de akoye visa free say you can travel if you are Africa you can travel to Ghana free by strange say yankopon say ombo na Mahama yi sa de ni free wo na ombo so na ye border no so omumia ye security ni mu yiye omma security ni mu ye tight na say na umaya soldier for special soldier for mpudo mo de ye kakra na police for de nya kra na yankopon bo na mumia mota na sa no ma we wickedness na sa Nigeria for we no others countries wa ha Nigeria for na empe omo nyuba bonesem na do so dodo omo mu ade omo nim kasa Nigeria ono aye bone ba waka na ono beje bone na tum sa ampa ade we manje ne yiye no wo bua obe defend ne ho metie nkrofo na omo sa ade na South Africa for kasa he said omo then na wo ho aye jolo so what good thing do you have that me kwati omo president ba swearing in Mahama swearing in na or say anything you need my help you can call me metie ade na me say me bufuefo me say what do you have that Ghana should need and call you for help wo a woni light wa kwan asem nye usuku asem nye mo light nye mo bibia wo kuro mo nyina ye basa de papa ben na wo na Ghana ehia Mahama enfrau you should come and learn from Ghana come and learn from Ghana and go and face the same way uto mo secret sam kra nye mo hospital ni na basa ya ka corrupt ya ka top a year West Africa crowd almost top power with corruption. Nigeria number 1. We in Nigeria film we African country be. But they are the people who boast making themselves to be proud. Say, they are jealous with that. What do you have that somebody will jealous from you? What do you have? What do you have? What proper thing that you can show? That no ba become the internet. I mean, see, yeah, Ghana for say, or mo Nigeria for mo no she, yeah, what then no. Or more in the entertainment industry, they are better than Ghanaians. Oh, God have mercy for these people. Entertainment industry are better than Ghana. Do you eat that entertainment industry? Ubedi. I don't know, Ubedi. I don't know. I don't care better. No. What do you use that entertainment industry to fix your country? What benefit that entertainment industry did for your country? Entertainment industry now will bossy or who is it not generator you are using? Do you have any proper light and mobile to media connected? I am mobile boho. But Ghana ha yen ni be kra na dan make am say this person I don't have his number and I don't know how to get him. Comment am remember and say who say yambo baako who the obo baako person industry. Me da Ghana ha no. Your lights number 1. Your school number 2. Your hospital number 3. Your security number 4. Ya kwan ya number 5 ye peace ya number 6 who the obo back me boss 6 amount if you are proud for Nigerian also come out from this thing and let me hear from you. These people like enough is enough. Ghana for na wo omo Nigeria for na mo ha no omo do tia Ghana for mo no omo 2000 e wo Nigeria for but Nigeria for mo they are more than I can even say they are more than 8 billion in this country. And the way my here crown sa king now by who say I'm an Igbo king no. Do you have Igbo in Ghana here? Ghana are you one cry for ha? O bank cry for ya gamanche on the young cry for hini. O kwa santima mo two for na sante for hini. O kwa dama ngwa to say north side down. Yana and then omuna ya north for so hini. O kwa me kurom to say baby me free a. Boku say ya kwa ya wo kusase for na di ade boku a kuro ne ya omwe dia. Ukwa nso a omohene nso a wo ho Aborago the second ono nso na yeboko hene like different search for central region hey omo nyina ukwa trabe bia wo ho bia mo hene na wo besi wo hene se wo ye Igbo king no ye wo Igbo e wa sa Ghana ha na ana ye ne Igbo fo di ade e wo Ghana ha a ye no wo ba be hye ahenie ne adidi wo Ghana ha Penny for no be was some time. We've done it been I don't know. And we are peace. Cause on mono bonana nanka Say carbon no microphone na this I will this am target sa microphone and penny phone this abon tia ma. They will feel the pain and they will wake up from their sleeping. They will wake up from their sleeping and their slumbering and they are dozing. So more tongue we don't even understand them. Somebody will be offering the crimes obey Igbo king. Now most of my young man. Now media for no Ghana media for they have a big problem. Some of them have big problem and they need people to train them and to wake them up from their sleeping. Most of them mo camera so jaja na madu hono. Put moton crofo way. Or 2 4 man share him fi mpura dodo asa na mokọ hono. Government no ma dodo asa na mo ya mutimi ko okuta ade. And so mama mo cross mo camera so na madu Nigeria for Igbo ono afre so Igbo king say ma tasa ase say maybe see hostel, maybe see hospital, maybe see school. Ye be hwe. Na me say Sempenimfo no say onye bibia ya youth no young Ghana they hear say our numbers to increase more. The be kire say papa nkrofo we say Ghana no ye no mu ni adedie biara sa Igbo king sa land no wo so mo ji free ni nsem. Na mo man tie ase say Igbo fo mo Nigeria no mo free o mo nya Ghana fo nti o mo ntimi be ye Igbo king e wo kurom ha. To so pena hini e dia onko no kurom. Kwa no kurom no kwa ne king wo ha no obi ani asem. Ghana ni ban ene wotu kwa ko West Africa nyina even Nigeria ho no. On ponten and so obi akon say makosi mo hene say me ya santini ama free sante abetena Nigeria nti masi won hene ana kusasi ni bi ana dagbani ana nkran ana voter ni bi a wakotena wo say masi mo hene wo hono on ponten kire ye even po say wakoto asase mpo asifi wo Nigeria no omo meka kire ye ni ye hu ba mo ba ha beto asase asa nyan ho say Igbo king say wasi wo hene wa Ghana ha. Na nkrafo no so ahemfofo bi mu no me blame wo pa. They have bigger problem. They abinimu ohana they are so cheap in some people and foreigners hand. But the common thing kakrasha and sapena na adwen no asesa ebinimu nya omunyina. Ba ye sɛ Nyankopɔn so on sorry cause yamfa na yansi for ma masa 4 years 5 years to come say rapture and sina Yesu amba yenchirima na baba emoba no omo na mba bebre omo di kan hu fa distance Nigeria for na di kan hu fa distance say na Ghana for to ba omo kurom and the 80s no omo anya bibia amfa hu abedu baby na ebeje omo kura fa na omo pame yen na Yesu aba aba fix ye kuro na Yesu etim enti so omo nso so apam ye na ya PCC ye mam na ye te ye mam dia etinie bia nso ni hu say omo nso san kwa omo kuro onko siesie omo man na omo ntena ho obi besiesie na wo mfiri ho no bedidi ensan so da wo nsan cancer mfo enkyere no ensan kyere sa nipa kro no san kwa okuro na ye de yaw na anya wo da emfa nya wo nyanko ye de yaw na sa anya wo da emfa nya wo nyanko na Ghana fo ma ne binom ne mbema ne bi na mo defa no wono enya me nwanwa so omo no wo mo na wo do bone dwade bi di so omo ni bone bi di a omo bi back wo mo because ohene ba ya mokọ chie ne say yakola ya dwen 17 ya girl am say na adwene no se mokọ mu na Ghana fo ne bi ka ho a omokodi sa ansem bono no enti wo ka omonim se so omokọ nso da me ho beda adwem enti ene aja adidi janso ne mu na nanam teni na meka na ya be chiwe ya kodi a na me nso me ho be chire me dia ma me back ne se na be ya be ja no ba obo akora. And I think 2011 or 2012 na Kofodua na my sister you know na ni bia oye talency Rita ebetena ho no ma na ote o boarding school government secretariat school ho na awoko school awone asantini girl bi Felicia na damfo no Nigeria ni be si Rita no pe aye no funi ni pe na Rita ka che so nko no mpe no na mo kromfo mo ye nipa bono fo mo ye widifo enti ono onko no ma ne mfa na assemble so wa mpene otwa no kosi asantini girl ne Felicia ne pe na Felicia apene so e ma wona ne dae ma onyensen no owie ye no dwa no ko no kurom gya no afiro ofra no mpo a na omfa enti na video osan be bo Rita na ma na Rita no so wa mfa ya ko no ne hunya de mu no so ompa ntini wa watwa nwa akoye na asem aba odwa ne gya girl no ti na Rita kora na ekoro ne nam to da bi oni sika Rita na efidi no e wo school mu ho ba na ka wadanfo pa wona nam wa besi wadanfo yi pe wadanfo ya reject no so ompen eye den na wo kodi na chi e de ohun kwama ne wo da ama wa yen say in the name of Nigeria for no mu wo sika ben na mo wo nim dwuma wo ye some of Ghanaian ladies they have a big problem. They are so cheap because akwadwo ahyɛ binom ma ɔbɛyɛ ne ho ayɛ adwuma ahwɛ ne ho no ɔde ne ho hyehyɛ bɛrima ɛnti sɛ ne yanko Ghana ne bɛrima no hwɛ ne life na nyɛ na ɔka so sɛnea wohu suban no nyɛ na ɔtwe ne ho a ɛyɛ ne sɛ Ghana ni na mmua no ɔkɔnya Nigeria na ɔtete change kakra ma no pɛ ɛyɛ ne sɛ na wate na ɔno no ɔba no adwemfi na ɛtae n'akyi no ɔno ɔbɛyɛ deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ɔbɛnya wakoma ba wo so na wɔ sɛ woyi so adwene ɛnɛ Felicia na ɔdwa no kɔɛ no saa nyinsa ne saa ɛbɛda na wofoɔ so because ɔmo na wɔ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ ne ma no kɔpem sɛ ɔbɛwo na didiem ne akwala no nyinaa ɛda no so because nipa no wie na ɔkɔgya wonnim no kɔ hefa na Nigeria kora bɛso na wonim a ɔkɔhwɛ abrante wɔ yɛakye no sɛ wa waste ko ba Felicia no so na papa nso yɛ police ni ɔmaame nso na ɔtwa force tɔn ɛwɔ Kegetia Sasafo market so Kumasi dwom hɔ baabi na ɔtɔntɔn force wɔ hɔ no nyensa ne de 3 man na afiri ohun duwa ɔbɛyɛ boy ne mfa ɔfrɛ na ɔmfa entereta na mpo na ɛsan asɔ ne nsa ɛkɔgya no wɔ kurom Kumasi ɛkɔhu ne papa no na mo kasa na ɔmo de asɛm no to papa n'ani ɛna ɛm sɛ kyɛw pa ba mu sɛ den wo menim ne ɛkɔsi akyire man ankyɛ mpo na mefiri kofo dua bɛtena nkran nti menim ne ɛkɔso kora bi akyɛ mpo akyɛ asɛm meka yɛ akyɛ almost 13 years ni imagine ti ɔbɛka kyerɛ reta ampani na wo so de asɛ wo mpani anka we bɛba they say wo satam so no na get wo kɔ school em so na wo find so wo second year so wo third year mu na wo wa saa mra bɛyɛ sɛ ne bɛpa mu afiri school mu hɔ hwan na wayɛ saa mfom so no ɛnyɛ wo na wakɔ so saa damage ne saa fall na ma wo ho adan na yɛ ma no binom yusu adwen saa de honam ani akwadworɔ na nema me wɔ school nti wo mpɛ sɛ bɛbɔ wo ho mɔden wonfa bible ensua deɛ ɛmfa noma bi nhyɛ w'adwene mu a obɛyi noma wiase afiri w'adwene wodi mbrante mabra mu akɔnno na bible sɛ nea ɔwɔ aso no ɔntie deɛ honhom na yɛ den ɛka kyerɛ asafo no wo aso a nyame asɛm ɔka biribi a wobɛtie ba binom ni aso na asɛm na ɛka na honhom na kasa kora na ɛyɛ ne sɛ wo disturb no nti deɛ honam no mbom no pɛ na honam no so gyegye nipa kɔporɔyɛ ɛno ɔsɛ yɛ mu obi ba wo man mu a wonnim baabi a nipa no firi wonnim suban yɛ kura no wonnim adwene yɛ kura no last year yi mu a program so Ghana ni bi bedi bema bi bedi adanse wɔ hɔ ɔso ohyia Nigeria yɛ no homɔbɔmɔbɔ so wɔ nibi ɔfa na danfo boa na paa ɔboa na asu the sense ɔno na nante for 1 year ɛna ɔbaka kyerɛ ɔdako na osu sɛ na busuani bi awu so ɔso na maame o sɛ ne bra o sɛ ne bibi sɛ na awu yɛ ɛna ɔka kyerɛ Ghana ni so nkɔgya na kwa na Ghana ni bema yi edi n'akyi ɛkɔɔyɛ because ɔmo na atena bɛyɛ sɛ 1 year ɔmo afa no ɔyɛ ne ho sɛ de ɔwɔ nibi nti ɔmo na ɔmo afa no sɛ enua they show love to him but na adwene akura Nigeria ni no na nya adwen papa adwen fi pa na ekura no na saa adwen no de saa de na yɛ bi no mu saa ba na no kura yi yɛnche no na ɔde ba awe so na nyame na di no boy no ho afofie na otimi escape ba Ghana ento oba yɛso oba betena baabi a saa na ɔyɛ no ho mɔbɔ na nipa na aboa no enti we obɛn no ho mɔmɔ we ebu ano na ɔne ne tena saa adamfo a ɔfa no kwa ne ti fie kɔba enti da kwa ɔka saa asɛm na ɔsɛ okay wo kɔ de ndɛ me ne obɛkɔ because yɛ ne watena ha saa enti ɔkra fie busuafo nim sɛ yɛ ne na ɛkɔ wo ne na ɛfiri Ghana ha kɔ kurom aba okodu ya ɔsɛ ɔkɔ bie ne fie kyerɛ no Ghana ni no according to a testimony ɔsɛ ɛyɛ no nwanwa wɔsɛ wo fie ni na ɔba Ghana wo yɛ ho mɔbɔ no wɔsɛ an ɔsɛ ohu ne pictures na nkonwa ne nnɔma a efie na esi hɔ no sisɛ ɛnyɛ fie ketewa papa bi na dwuma a ɔyɛ ne sɛ ɔkum nipa mogya na ɔde asisa fie no na Ghana ni no nso ɛkɔɔyɛ na ɔkɔso ɛhɔ no ɔmaa no ankasa ne dan na according to Ghana ni nipa testimony so ɔkɔfa mmaa ɛba fie hɔ aso kɔhyia ne sɛ me girlfriend na wafa na ba fie bɛhwɛ baabi amete girl ne bewura hɔ a wɔmpie bi no wɔkɔku no de na de ne saka wa na Ghana according to Ghana testimony na be kama mete yɛ no ɔse ɔne ne kɔ ayie na ɔmo kɔ ɔmo nonnom yɛ pa na ɔmo Ghana ni nso nso nnom yɛ ɛna ɔmo boroyɛ na according to ɔno no ɔse na ni so tete no na ɔdan dan bi mu a akokora bi egyina no so nsa ne tete na ni so na Ghana ni di na chi kɔ Nigeria na ɔde no kɔma na nsa nnom yɛ na nkɔ ɔkɔ ku na de na yɛ ne rituals no na ne so tete ga omoma na nsa no me na ne so tete ne no na oda dan bi mu a akokora bi agina no so na akokora no ono na oku nipa no ma na de ne rituals no na ohu dan ne mu a na odam mu no ene nuoma egu dan ne mu no Ghana ni so na ni so tete na ohu akokora na ohu ba bia odo na ohu se asem ato no oso bo akokora no eto ho na akokora no ebise so owu yo so okoko ma wo obo na ohu so da ho flat pe na onya akwatete mu no pieye na wo na ohuri ye ne kwan ofa so si fom edwane ye ne no makora ka ho ama okopa girl kora ma no girl no kwa so according to testament say me kai ne yiye na mantwantora yam so girl no so kura okun no nso so obi a wafiri kuro ma betena Ghana ha ye ohumobombo nipa na fa wo say wunni bi ekomodo wunni be bi te na waboa wo ani yi ne yem ani de akoma pa na watena for 1 year a wona ne mpo dadan mu koba enne na seda ne say wo bekunu ede na akodi sikaduro na senya nyame na eboa ye ena otimi tete mu a anka na nisu betete no na abusuafo ko mu hu ne bie Nigeria na hefa na okohu no hefa na oni ba bia kwa yite na aka se o ka se okufikuro we so me ko hwehwe na afiri anka modesha na kana sia hye kana tia katakora wo hu ba nyame na eboa ye na boy ne timnya na tididi mu enti nkrofo we no wo ye dan yese preko wo ye dan ya we preko wo dware ne se dan ya tete no obesa akom okraman so ofe na ofigu ha o chinchin ya na kom de na obesa ba za afe na anu amu na bakwa akodi bible say o preko san kwa onu an techa wa ya ntamu okraman san kwa de onu an fie mu na ya mpenimfo ya asantefo mpenimfo bi bu baby say eduane a won otutu a ebe hye no wonu akora ebe den ebe hye enti nipa wudi sembo ne trimu no you matter what I want to bet na mfie san no wudi sem no woni trimu woni mogya nim awurawura na ndompe mo ye danya da wudi sem no woni trimu bona na woni trimu so obedi no wa ni ano ho nto no anka obi anka woni bebi obi afa watena 1 year na osemi maami akoje mayi a na okokumi ademi adi sikaduro enti nkrofo we ni mese yenya omo papa omo mu ba ko last 2021 yesofu peni a wona Nigeria osoma nkrofo tu bi ba ha se omo mba ye mercenary work bi wa ha na omo ye nipa tu ba ko no nso wa ba no mu odu pa ba ko na no onse dan wa pi na no owade bat no mu nye du slim ye fe na Pastor Peter ono na ye slim na Serene no na ye fat one na mo ba Ghana ha mo kwa asesewa ena nipa no di dwa eno mo na ma ode nu aduane ma omo katenten de according to nkrofo no kasa na nko no do bedi ko no wan complain amfa ho ba kase na fa owo ho adi achi no hwe nkrofo na nim ka hwe me se nkwan be na mo ayete say the soup like a river or so nsu ate say ekwan ya te say yi asubonten enti wani aduane no eno oyiye omo na okoye wani aduane no ana mo baga ye be ye aduane sa da no poda me wo hobi we de nye say yese na mete na me na ye woman coordinator na ye wo kitchen ho no papa we ba ho a hey Mama Doris you again with this your oil food to say omo mu Ghana fo na omo ne so Ghana fo aye subanya wo mu a we bi omo ko bia subanya omo ntimi nya ntu echire ba bi omo ko bia du omo achi ye ko mu krom last year 2023 last 2 year 2023 April no mo ho woman program me se duana mo no ama aye no tina me ka wo metirimi se enti duane wei na nkrofo wo ye maye ye di ye complain na wo ba Ghana duane ye mama na tensa na ewo mu kwanye bi ni wei no na wo mu bedi wei a wo complain nti duane na kasa ka ye de kwa beta kra chen mo de no ye nu Ghana ni bi o Gladys o se o mo kuro mo mu duane a enchi no mo ndi enchi no spices nko na mo de o mo duane enti o ba wie no na spices amana ye frem na mo se o mo duane na ye de chen to mo na mo ni ma duane no na mo no say as far ma BP ne pressure na sa na mo say yenye Ghana ye di nchene ma yare na nchene na spice de he na kuma yare pa nchene ya de sha de a ensen no spice obetimi de sha de enti krofo we dan kasa no for me de me beginning na no na me begin na me pe o ma ba me begin to hear some stories about them me tete no ma bi na me hu say oh daddy never wo ye den sana omo number hwe nanse enura me koti a enura me tape me ko YouTube so anadwo no ko hwe a em say ahomachi enne yampo enne on the 12 yam Kaswa market Nigeria ni guy ekwohye Kaswa market de kokan o Ghana politician ni bi ena e ka kire onu Nigeria ni say onkohye market no na ya chem what when that channel there now can work Kumasi say we to do something to bring Ghana down marketer eja ta Professor Tames esiye e mark Kaswamfo a omodi omodwa stores ni sika podu egumu no onu Nigeria ni no e twaja atu sa market ni mu ahye no na o hye sa market wonim sika dodo ene pen ni pa no ma manfo fam ode ja wa de manfo be fam wonim sika podu a o twaja atu ma sai no e wo ho Kaswa market to sika e bi si market ni sika ketwa normal guni shops a ne sika gu sa market ni mu no ni sika ketwa na young boy we one mo hwe we ko YouTube na utapia obehu na wo ko twaja atu say me hye no me se nra ma me bi ye yi video na ba ma me no tumi je course em say e certificate ne dem te kakra ka dem so mutumi hu ja no ntem dumu no anfa atorenchen biara mba na Kaswa fo na timi abna mo dodo mo na mo ko che no hwe adwenya ekuta we motrim na wasate be hye market a ye sika yusu sika pudu asi market amamba omontena so nton ade omonsa be ko mano na omatimi ahwe mo school wo kwabrane anya tumi ekotwaja etuje market ne mu ahye amanfo nuoma amanfo dwatre sika be sei ene no be sei wonye no marketwa enkrofo we yenye omodan bi na yakoka obi say ene ye ma Ghana fo we abrochie ne other countries no che ye ndie Ghana ni yakoso no mu say o twaja etu Ghana krobi market ahye no ana okum obi ede kodi sikaduro ye nkasa Ghana fo no ye 100% do ye wa bonefo wo na bonefo no kra na wo mu kasa most of them no Nigeria fo na etro ni wo mu enti we ni enough is enough masa edu be na ye kasa na mpenimfo no fa kra na masa we can team up. Your team up will fight against these people. You're not trouble. You better know your Democrat Flasta House. Your problem is your man for evidence that you're winning here. No man say, 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 no man say. And yet your mom won't call. Because now, more Ghana had say, who took on free other country, back Ghana had their kind. Who so bad a beer campaign can say be. Ama Ghana for minimum na omonye adwuma ye na bi no awie school na motiti fie no omonye adwuma ye yan ka se ordinary person bi asori free no krom a wo ma wo kra so ahwi na obedu Ghana ha na Ghana ni adwuma nketenkete na no ye na adwuma nketo na Ghana for no ye na omonsa be koma no wo san ba beje se adwuma na free omonsam I so aspect ties yi ka hunu ma asai free krom anya papa e de begu amanfo adwuma wa ha phone ho shop hunu ma na moje Senyasa Ghana for no more 2019 de na ye sa shop na free omunsem kakra bi mpo na anya ba no cramp me yem kwa ka engineer odo rice side ho no ko free or the saying udu circle overhead na asu ho no mo no omo am wa nim ha na bebre na Ghana for ba bi mu hihye inside ho na mo ye Nigeria for fa ho no mo akopim odo rice side ho nyina most of them do na nyina Nigeria for that ho no omo na Ghana for na pre adan omukuro mu betimi akwa isa adwuma we omukuro na ka Ghana ni kwhye marketer ka no funu mpo ka na busu afo mpo hu enso ye bet we na na mo sister bi amene ne wo mi roommate ba kwa ndas na oka ye kwafa omo afiro omukuro mu ha ba omo no ye de omo ahye dem na fraud no nko na omo ye fraud na omo ye nso no Ghana di na omo say no because code ni bibia adaso no omo be use Ghana code nyo omo na di na omo say no na omo de fraud nkrofo na etiri tro am ko yam ko ma 3 days e ma wundidi 1 week kwa e ma wundidi say ye adwuma wo nim na kwaka se komo de wa se kan ne ma ye de be ye wo no kuta no ba ko bi de twa picture no ba ye de bo ne nsa no te na ne nsa ne se aho no omunya kwa dwane ba police station ba report ya police for wickedness be Ghana for police for bi no ye bomb obi akọ koto on bomb pa se criminal wicked police for no bi no mo ye criminal for ye wickedness a omo ne ama nipa bone for team apeso bomb ma no biara nyame ayi omo so entoma nyame hwim omo so atwede na omo hwehwe omo nyina hwehwe ase na nyame ye yi omo nyina mfiri ho na omo an fa ne num nyam ensan fira boy Nigeria ni dwane be ye complain na wo soldier ni na police ni nu asa afa phone na frɛ babia fraud weakness na mo ye ho na sa fraud babia mo ye fraud na say akola nkola na ba kwa dwan omo dwane aba ha o omo dwane aba ha be ye complain na ma omo ena ba ko de emso wu gina ho ma ye be ye tran ba che ni ko eminim me ko se na ba ko de dwane ba kolobu ma kolobu fo hwe na ma no hu to no ema mo se omo nsa ma na akoba to ni kuro wo omukuro na nka kwa yesa adwuma we na echiw na uba report ba out ka utikwa wonya de ginu biem na mpasa ye de wa ko hospital a hwew asa de wo ko okuro mu bi etinkrofo we na bon na mo de ne doso ama bebre so mo de aye me say yi Saudi they say ya bando omo ho no ye mpɛ omo ho enti bebre na betena ha na mo nya Ghana visa na mo de atukwan ko ho na me hwe video bi a ye say Ghana ni eyo Saudi a oye na dwuma oye oba ena Nigeria ni nso ba ho na Nigeria ni na ba aye no okura Ghana passport ena menim no oye ena Saudi ni frɛ Ghana ni get na wona ni ye dwuma ma no ne say come and talk to your countryman or so free Ghana to ba fa okura mu ni ba ma na kasa na ne ye bi no mu no enye na kasa kire no na kire na dwuma no enti ga ne ba no chia no ode yitwi achia no se etisen wo se eye na wo so free Ghana kuro ba so ogina ho ntumi nkasa enti ho no twe Ghana ni ko gina nchen se onu ye Ghana ni o na ye Nigeria ni na obetena Ghana ha no de ye ne passport de ba ho no no ye Ghana ni o ye Nigeria ni imagine amma motimi ama na Ghana passport bebre na betena ha ye Ghana passport no mu de tukwan okodi nsembone a oman ni din mu ono odi sa nsembone e create sa abone ne egu oman na account mu ebedu bedu man hwe yi antakle ko mo man firi a bedu bedu Ghana ni na wo ya original Ghana ni na wo bone bia ni hu no ukopa visa tue kwan akọ bi so be pa mo say ma wo nko because of the Nigeria ni abetena ha de Ghana passport akodi nsembone nti cause bebre na kuro bi so ya hu mo suban na ya pa mo mo no o me ba betena Ghana na ya Ghana passport ama mo na mo de akọ no na Ghana passport no kwafo no so am yes immigration fo no bebre na so ya corrupt and ba bia mo ya passport bebre na so bia obe komunisika hia na odi ama no kitua bi less than high kwa na 1000 Ghana na waje na wa ya passport na money free odi ko okodi nsembone wo dwen wo jefu no ho Ghana form ebi ne mu no aye aban workers ni bi no omo ya corrupt as student sense omo no omo yefu no kwa na omo dwen omo ni oman no ho do yes sorry na nyame me fampa bo na nyame mbo aye omo a omo ni oman no ho do na omo de oman ne sai kwa na omo ye yi a omo pe na omo ye nipa kuma bi omo Ghana no nyame mbo aye na ye ma nyame mbo amahama no onchi omo nyina engum no onje adwuma no firi omo nsa na ye security sam no ensan gina Ronald time ebe si kufu time obo Ghana din a manfo boje Ghana so efiri Professor time the same thing ba papa we de okofie nansen ya ekoi obese no ma bibro oman ni mu a te say oman no ma jinsemu last ni this last year ya French ni bi betena Marshall obesu ade kakara wa ha be bo so pe na okoye mena na di nkomo ka hye no so Ghana ye nim no nya Ghana ni bi mo first ndi obo Ghana din de yeah obia pese o te Ghana di obia pese oba Ghana pese se de nya Ghana na ye nim no nya Ghana na ye hu bi they say Ghana asay Ghana ye corrupt Ghana te say first ni bi imagine onu a ofiri ne man mu no French ni ofiri Cameroon na wakwaware say French kuro ne ba ko mi efi kuro ndi kakra me kaya meka na waware akostena ho no onu abehu se Ghana asay French for na bia no mu nipa ba miensa betena ha na mo pese mo ye adwuma mo pese mo betena Ghana ha eye passport e de tu kan ko Saudi menim de ɔwɔ sɛ mokrom ha montimi yɛ passport wɔ hɔ no ma Ghana ha na mbaba yɛ passport ade atu kwan because Ghana
So now tell me, what do you think about what's going on in Nigeria? What do you think about this news right here? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Share the video. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Stay safe. Peace out.